A low-carbon hospital. Taoyuan Chang Memorial Hospital. Chang Medical Foundation. A brief introduction to Chang Memorial Hospitals. Established in 2003, Taoyuan Chang Memorial Hospital is the seventh member of Chang Memorial Hospital Group. Our aim, objectives and vision. Our aim is to head in a non-profit direction. We serve our patients and make efforts to provide social welfare. The objectives of our hospital are to make our team the best team possible. We attempt to implement holistic medical systems and to construct a complete healthcare system. The ideals of our hospital are firstly to be from the community and by the community. Secondly, to treat our patients' needs as our first priority. And thirdly, to work hard and diligently. Our vision is to represent excellence from a healthcare system. Our management policies. Management policies. We respond to the government energy policy and actively participate in various activities. For example, we signed an agreement with the Bureau of Energy for the Ministry of Economic Affairs for energy saving. We procure energy-saving designs for new buildings. For this purpose, we applied for the Energy Saving System Certification ISO 50001. Taoyuan Chang Memorial Hospital obtained its Energy Saving Certification ISO 50001 this November. We continue to promote energy saving and carbon reduction measures to ensure energy efficiency goals are achieved. We understand the importance of building maintenance, so we carry on promotion work for energy saving and carbon reduction. Our energy management and objectives. We need a good strategy to carry on the work of energy saving and carbon reduction. Based on SWOT analysis, we ensure our working procedure and objectives. Baseline for energy reductions and our targets. We participated in government plans related to energy saving and carbon reduction. For example, we signed an agreement with the Ministry of Economic Affairs to reach 5% energy saving within 3 years. We worked on the certification of Energy Management System ISO 50001. We believe through our hard work we can achieve good performance and efficiency. Also, we attempted to build up an evaluation of energy use and to reduce the waste of energy. Our efforts will help people to understand the importance of energy management. We adapt the concept of energy baseline, which is applied to our work. We understand fully our approach will fit the need of actual energy management. Energy conservation teams and management. We are fully aware that the key point of promoting energy saving and carbon reduction is to have a complete plan with support from organizations. The support from high bureaucratic managers plays a crucial role in our plan. This chart demonstrates the top-down management style supervised by and started from the high bureaucratic team for energy conservation. Each branch would then start their work. The relevant units would then join the whole plan. After the plan was formed, the necessary discussion and feedback would find a baseline to improve our work. It's a long-term work to promote energy saving and carbon reduction. Our strategy is not only to regulate the communal actions, we also specialize the rules for the individual departments. We are delighted to receive any good suggestions or approaches from other branches and share them with our successful approaches. Energy conservation teams and management in Chang Memorial Hospitals. This is our energy saving conservation organization chart. The highest is the decision-making committee. Each execution within all the individual branches can be found in this chart. Our actions. We will explain our approaches and actions. Action of energy saving equipment. As to power, we pay attention to the new products on the market. After analysis, if the energy-saving products successfully achieve our standards, we would immediately promote them to our hospital. For example, the illumination system of PL lamps and T8 lamps were upgraded to the new trend of more energy-efficient LED T5 lamps. A zoning plan was adopted to replace the old systems. This annual saving of electricity amounted to approximately 720,000 kilowatt-hours. Carbon reduction amounted to 380 tons. Action of energy saving water. Water resource. We adopted green water saving products, i.e. adjustable water saving taps, automatic sensor faucets, etc. Water savings of approximately 85,000 tons per year were achieved. Carbon reduction amounted to 13 tons. Systems and equipment. 1. Central monitoring system. The main air conditioning host was set up, followed by the contract. It was also dependent on the actual situation for adjustments in order to satisfy the contract agreement. The airbox and sending exhaust fan were set up for timing. 2. Adjust the cold water temperature of the main machines at night. 3. The temperature is set to 26 degrees in the public areas. The power of the air conditioning and lighting system is connected in order to reduce the amount of cold water and electricity used. Medical equipment and IT automation. 1. E-nursing work car. 2. Height and weight wired connection of outpatient. 3. Wireless nurse internet phone. 4. Wireless nurse call system. 5. Automatic wired connection weight HIS. 6. Outpatient physiology signal processing wired HIS. 7. Outpatient sigmomanometer wired connection HIS. 8. Blood pressure, oxygen and heart rate wireless HIS at wards. 9. Information dialysis machine wired connection HIS. 10. Blood sugar machine information via cable connection HIS. Green procurement is very important to our work. From 2010 to 2013, total purchases of all types of green label products reached 98,180,000 NT. The rule of our green procurement. Our service increased to 4,037 beds, equal to 3.11% from 2011 to 2013, and our waste reduction of 0.13 kilograms per bed, or 3.23%. Firstly, we added Vietnamese and Indonesian to our label languages to instruct foreign caregivers. Secondly, we decreased the amounts of patients' medicine cups and ear thermometer sets. Thirdly, we reduced the amounts of biomedical waste at the isolation wards. Fourthly, we reused broken clothes. Finally, we reconsidered the small packets of medical gauzes. Sixthly, we encouraged the customers of our restaurants to prepare their own tableware. Also, we encouraged our restaurants to adopt recyclable tableware. Seventhly, we reused and recycled any printed papers. Eighthly, the wrapping paper of medical materials are recycled. Ninthly, we reconsidered to reuse the biomedical waste, for example, the plastic products. Finally, when we hold conferences, we would use washable tableware, or we will give our guests dining tickets. We worked diligently to promote electronic medical records. We invested a considerable amount in information equipment. The result could be seen by the reduction of paper used, electricity used by printers, the use of toners, and the final waste incineration. This annual cost saving reached 2,010,000 NT dollars. Carbon reduction amounted to 1.3 tons. The amount recycled was 622 tons from 2011 to 2013. The plastic recycling of biomedical products reached 317 tons from 2011 to 2013. Recycling tableware helps us to decrease the amount of waste by 2,328 kilograms per year. Public transport is a good technique for helping carbon reduction. Chang Memorial Hospital operates a transport company to offer patients, visitors, and our staff transportation. Point-to-point line connections and city transit are provided under our work strategy. 2 routes departing from Taoyuan branch are free services. One of them connects with Linkou branch, which is very convenient to transit to MRT or other public transportations. We offer a free service in between different branches and for our employees. We also encourage our visitors and employees to take public transportation. If less and less people drive cars, carbon reductions will be reached. Providing low-carbon food not only benefits carbon reduction, but also benefits the maintenance of health. We advised our vendors to provide less oil, less salt, less seasoning, and more high-fiber meals. Highly developed areas are lacking in green planting. We cherish all possible opportunities to green up the land. We plan to build a green park hospital via 4 periodical plans. Our hard work has gradually paid off. The amounts of our services are increasing year by year. Let's compare the baseline between 2013 and 2010. The amount of electricity used has decreased by 2.11%. The amount of water and oil used has increased, but through our other work we have made a 0.39% reduction in the whole oil equivalent. Namely, we reached our own target of 0.1% reduction. Let's compare with other large domestic units in Taiwan. We received the recommendations from different departments and organizations due to our work on water saving, energy saving, and carbon reduction. We worked together with governmental departments to organize seminars for providing useful information. We were offered a prize for energy saving by the Environmental Protection Administration. In addition, the Ministry of Economic Affairs also honored us with the Excellence of Energy Saving Business Award. Taoyuan Chang Memorial Hospital obtained the certification of Energy Management System ISO 50001 this November. Another confirmation of our efforts was illustrated by the Excellence of Energy Saving Award in the medical category, prized by the Ministry of Economic Affairs. We pursue innovation and transcendence. Firstly, for the materials of the building's windows, we used plastic steel frames and micro-reflection glass. By using materials that are green, like plastic steel, whose insulation is much better than metal windows, we achieved an energy saving of more than 20%. Secondly, we set up a central monitoring system. We monitored contract capacity, power factor, and effectiveness of the air conditioning host. Thirdly, we set the ice storage system altogether to 5.25 RT. The use of off-peak electricity at night for ice storage, melting ice during the day, reduced the contract capacity by 292 kilowatt hours. Fourthly, we used water recycling system to water green lands. The water recycling rate was more than 41%. Fifthly, we used LED lights to replace mercury lights. Sixthly, evacuation direction indicator lights and exit door lights were fitted with LED bulbs. Seventhly, we used solar panel signs. Finally, we incorporated sewage treatment plant recycling. We carry on our improvement. Firstly, 1F Hall set up a windbreak room. Secondly, CO2 exhaust shifted to frequency control. Thirdly, we used pairs of multi-power supply LED lights in the preparing rooms. Fourthly, we changed PL downlights to LED lights in the wards. Fifthly, nursing stations used LED panel lights. Sixthly, office areas used inductive 14-watt number 2 T6 lights. Seventhly, air plug converter boxes were used. Finally, to improve the air conditioning host, the first and secondary side frequencies were adjusted. Our carbon reduction efforts. Firstly, the amount of waste was reduced by 3.23% from 2011 to 2013. Secondly, a water recovery of more than 41% annual average from 2011 to 2013 was achieved. Thirdly, carbon reduction from 2011 to 2013 amounted to 701 tons of oil equivalent energy, a reduction of -0.39%. Fourthly, green purchases amounted to 98,189,598 NT dollars from 2011 to 2013. Fifthly, from 2011 to 2013, the amount of resources recovered were 622,850 kilograms. The Earth is our common home. Saving energy and reducing carbon needs infinite efforts. We are fully aware of the importance of carrying on our hard work. Our team is very delighted to have your support and confirmation. It is our honor to share our experiences with you and attract more teams to participate in this kind of work. We will carry on our work and improve our work. Thank you very much for your participation.